right, guys, so what we have here is a an heirloom tomato stack. So what we've done is we've taken different colored heirloom tomatoes, slice them, season them with some sea salt. On the very bottom, there's a little bit of basil pesto on the bottom one. On the second and the third one, you've got some burrata cheese. So burrata is kind of like a creamier version of mozzarella. Spreadable, it's incredible. And then we've also got some basil leaves, a little chiffonade basil at the very top. That's just a fancy word for slicing it to like little confetti strips. Got some cherry tomatoes on the edge, and the whole thing's been dressed some extra virgin olive oil and some 20-year-old aged balsamic vinegar.
Oh wow.
The little chip on the side that you see there, that's prosciutto. So what we do is we get it sliced real thin. We put it between 2 sheet pans and parchment paper, and we let it cook for about 20-30 minutes. Take it out, and then we put weight on it for about 45 minutes. So you can grab that, it's literally like a chip, like a potato chip, real crispy, and it'll just add a nice little crunch to the dish.
That's right.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.